So today what we're going to do is talk about crop loss. And last night it got down to 14 degrees and we had just started to get blooms on some of the fruit trees. And as you can see, this one is burnt. The good thing is we didn't get many blooms on a lot of the trees. So now we're waiting to see what got burnt and what didn't. So what I'm hoping is these smaller buds that hadn't opened hadn't got burnt, just the ones that were open. So it looks to me like we had about 2 or 3% of the blooms had opened and got burnt. And you can see here there's some that's getting ready to open. This is a hawthorn tree that was blooming. It was getting brilliant white. I'd say right now it looks like about 20% of the blooms on this one got burnt. This tree we use for rootstock for other fruit trees. So it's not a fruit-bearing tree that's edible, but it is an important source of rootstock. So let us know in the comments if you're starting to see that your fruit is blooming early and whether it's gotten burnt in the recent weather by frost. Please comment. We'll see you on the next video.